Congratulations on your new website. In this video, we're going to go over how to log in and start editing your website. Higher up on this page is a link to your website. That link has also been emailed to you along with your username and password. Now, if you click that link and go to your website, you're going to see this. This is your new website. By default, we've already included a basic web page as a starting point. And when you click on a button in the menu bar, it scrolls right to that page or section. This layout is called a scrolling website. Most modern websites are switching to this style because it's much more user-friendly than a paginated website where the user has to jump back and forth between pages. Also, keep in mind, over 50% of web browsing takes place on mobile devices where people are used to just swiping up and down to navigate. And even on a regular computer, it's easier to just scroll up and down rather than flipping through different pages. Now, if you have a huge website with lots of pages and lots of content on each one of those pages, you will need to switch to a paginated website. So stop this video and contact us so we can switch you over. But for the other 95% of you, this layout is going to be the most effective. Now, to log in, you simply go to the bottom of the page and click on the copyright symbol. Now you're at the login page, and all you do is type in your username and password and click Login. And if you ever forget your password, you simply click the red button. Now you just type in your domain name and click Submit, and the system will email you your login information. So it's important to keep your email addresses up to date in the settings. So let's put in our username and password. And click Login. So here we're looking at your website again, but now we have the toolbar on top. And from here you can manage every aspect of your website. Now, if your browser is not wide enough, you're going to see this at the top. Just simply grab the side of your browser window and stretch it out until that disappears. You will see these dotted red lines. This is the width of your website on mobile devices. It's also the max width for page elements like contact form, music player, and slideshow because you don't want those static elements stretching past the edge of the page. Now, when you first log in, the first thing you're going to do is click on this blue Help button. And this will bring up the how-to videos. This is where you're going to start. These videos cover everything you need to know about managing your new website, and they will answer 99% of your questions before you can even think of them. They're each only a few minutes long and will save you tons of time and frustration, so please don't skip over them. And if something's not covered in the videos, we have this frequently asked questions area. And if you still have a question that's not answered or you run into any bugs on our system, you can use the contact form at the bottom of the page. So go ahead, log into your website editor, click the Help button, and watch the how-to videos. We'll see you on the next tutorial.